So today we're with the Range Rover Sport with factory CarPlay. As you can see in this long screen, wide screen, it has all of these functions. And if you click into it, this Range Rover Sport actually has rear seat entertainment. So what that means is I can control the screen from here. I can turn it on, turn it off, and the most importantly is to connect the HDMI of the new MMB Android 11. So which I'll show you now. Hello, so today we're filming the third multimedia video box, our MMB Android 11 CarPlay AI box on Range Rover Sport with factory Apple CarPlay today. As you can see here, it has Apple CarPlay. And so today what I'm going to show you, a few things that I'm going to show you today is what the product looks like, what's inside the package, how to use our product simply, and to show you the rear entertainment system on this Range Rover Sport. So today we're going to connect the HDMI to the rear screen, and we'll show you how that looks like and how that's done. So first I'm going to take out the product. So once you remove the product sleeve, the packaging sleeve, you'll see our product here. Inside the small box here, there's a user manual and the USB cables, and this is our product. Okay, so once you enter our system here, this is the main menu screen. You'll see a couple important functions like Google Maps, wireless Apple CarPlay, YouTube, Netflix, and then if you click here, or you can slide left and right, you'll see the familiar system that you're used to with the factory Apple CarPlay. So if you swipe left and right here, you'll see even more apps, and you can click and hold and rearrange them the order. So right now I'll show you some simple built-in functions that you can expect from a MMB Android 11. So firstly, the most importantly is this car icon. So once you click that, you actually return to your original Apple CarPlay system. And if you locate your Apple CarPlay button again, you click on it and you'll go back into Android 11 system. Other than that, as you swipe right and left, you'll see some basic functions like media. What media is, it allows you to play offline media like music and videos. So you plug in the MMB Android 11 into your computer, and you can transfer files onto the product directly to watch or listen to music. You do not need a USB thumb drive anymore. And CarPlay, you can connect your iPhone wirelessly to use the original classic connection method. I've already connected my iPhone, and as you can see, within seconds it has connected to wireless Apple CarPlay. With this, you can expect your original functions that you're used to, nothing more to here. And if you click your car make logo, you'll go back to the Android 11 system. And a new function that we've added to the MMB Android 11 is actually the wireless Android Auto next to the wireless Apple CarPlay icon. If you use an Android phone, you can follow these instructions down below, and then you can connect to wireless Android. Unfortunately, we do not have a compatible phone with us today, so I cannot show you this function. But as you can see, whenever you click into a function on the system, you'll see detailed instructions to show you that teaches you how to connect to the function. And as you can see on the right and bottom, you see Bluetooth music and Bluetooth phone, and these are the two mirroring functions, the mirror and cast. Cast is for mirroring YouTube, Facebook, etc. And mirror function is to mirror your entire screen onto the. And this is the mirror function. You can choose either your iOS or Android smartphone. And this is another important function down here. If you click into APK, you can install any APKs onto a thumb drive and install directly onto the MMB Android 11. Other than that, as you swipe right and left, there are some basic built-in functions that are self-intuitive, and now we'll show you how HDMI works. Okay, so now that I've connected the HDMI cable, I'm going to go back to the original car system by clicking car, and then I'll select rear media, which means the rear seat entertainment screen control panel, and then I'm going to switch on both of the screens in the back, and I'll select HDMI. Once I've selected HDMI, on both of the screens on the back, it will show our Android 11 system. As I control the screen in the front, it will be controlled in the back as well. Or you can connect a wireless remote controller, and then you can control the system on the back screen as well. Okay, so now that I've connected the remote controller, I'm going to start. I can control the front screen, and I can control the two screens in the back at the same time as well. So right now I'll show you how that works. And so if I play any kind of movies or videos from YouTube, Netflix, any other streaming apps, it'll show on the rear screen as well with the same speed. So whatever's on the system, it'll show on the 3 screen. And the good thing about it is I can go into the main menu system, control any kind of control panel I want, and I can still be controlling the system from the back if I'm using the remote controller.